咧就非常好，天氣又好。然之後我哋啲同事咧一早已經好醒神，個個着晒 T 翻嚟，係非常之開心嘅。
10週年快樂！耶！好開心啊！10週年啦！
梗係好雀躍啦，好想好快出嚟就影呢幅我哋10週年紀念相咯，係啊，好開心。
Happy 10th anniversary！ 10週年快樂！
同時好 high 咯，好開心咯，10週年啊嘛，繼續擴建，繼續發展。
今日咧係10週年啊，我哋係影相啊，因為咧我哋已經做過超過10週年㗎啦，所以着返白色嘅 T 恤㗎咋。
Just thank you for letting me be a part of this and being able to call this wonderful place a second home.
好開心！10週年快樂！
哇！今日好開心啊，好 high 啊！因為咧我哋迪士尼10週年啊嘛，咁我都嚟咗11年啦，睇到公司咧個生意越嚟越蓬勃，好開心。
10週年快樂
！I am very honored today to celebrate this exciting cast photo moment with our steering committee and more than 2,000 cast members.
So from the bottom of my heart, I thank all of you for what you've done for the last 10 years and what you'll do from now until the next 100 years. Thank you very much.
哇！大家都好興奮喎，見到啲大老細走晒出嚟啦，跟住大家都好熱切，見到嗰個航拍，大家都好開心啊！
我覺得好開心嘅，咁啊，因為我哋有成2000幾個嘅同事一齊影呢張大合照啦，咁亦都係for我哋做咗咁多年嘅同事咁啊一個開心嘅回憶咯。
見到張相咧，都覺得大家都好開心、好投入同埋好感動咯。個大家庭喺10年裏邊咧都成長得好大同埋好多，同埋大家團結一心咁經歷咗好多嘢，所以咧係一個好感動嘅時刻。
Happy 10th